Welcome to our video on making money online using cryptocurrency trading. By the end of this comprehensive guide, we intend to arm you with the necessary tools and knowledge to start your crypto journey. The world of finance is rapidly changing, and cryptocurrencies have emerged as a new avenue for making money. Embracing digital assets can open up a world of opportunities for you. Cryptocurrencies are digital or virtual currencies that use cryptography for security. They're decentralized and operate on technology called blockchain. To put it simply, blockchain is a distributed ledger enforced by a network of computers, called nodes. These digital currencies are not tied to any country's economy and are utterly immune to government interference. Trading cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and many more is a promising way of adding additional income streams. But how does one start with it? Don't worry, we've got you covered. This video will guide you through the whole process of cryptocurrency trading, from the basics to the most advanced strategies. In this video, we'll break down the complex world of cryptocurrency into digestible parts. We'll start with the fundamentals, explaining what cryptocurrencies are, how they work, and why they're valuable. We'll then guide you through setting up your first cryptocurrency wallet and making your first trade. We'll also discuss the various strategies you can employ, including long-term holding and short-term trading. Moreover, we're going to touch upon the important aspects of risk management and trading psychology. We'll teach you how to manage your investments wisely and make informed decisions. We'll also shed light on the common pitfalls you should avoid to prevent potential losses. So, if you're ready to break free from traditional financial systems and enter into this exciting new frontier, this video is for you. Are you tired of the traditional ways of making money? Do you want to explore new opportunities and potentially earn big? Well, cryptocurrency trading might be the answer for you. Now let's dive into the step-by-step instructions. The initial stage requires an understanding of the fundamental aspects of cryptocurrency. It's akin to learning a new language where you start with the basics, then gradually gain proficiency. This involves understanding the underlying technology, blockchain, and how it revolutionizes traditional transactions. You'll need to familiarize yourself with terms such as decentralization, public and private keys, and mining. Each term provides a piece of the puzzle that is cryptocurrency. It's an intricate world, filled with a combination of tech jargon and financial terminology that can seem alien to a newcomer. But rest assured, with time, patience, and the will to learn, you'll decode it all. Next, broaden your knowledge about different types of cryptocurrencies. Bitcoin made its mark as the first cryptocurrency, but it's not the only one. Ethereum, Ripple, Litecoin are just a few others among this diverse ecosystem. Each comes with its unique features and use cases. For instance, Ethereum introduced smart contracts, while Ripple is popular for its fast, low-cost international transactions. Dive deep into each one, understand their differences, and identify which ones align with your investment goals. Lastly, it's essential to keep pace with the fast-changing market trends. Crypto market trends are driven by various factors like investor sentiment, regulatory news, technological advancements, and even tweets from influencers. Following reliable news sources, participating in online crypto communities, or using analytical tools can help you stay updated. Remember, informed decision-making can often be the key to success in this volatile market. Remember to approach this with patience and curiosity. The world of crypto is vast and constantly evolving, which makes learning about it an ongoing process. Familiarize yourself with the market trends. Next, you'll need to choose a reliable cryptocurrency exchange platform. Now, the process of choosing such a platform isn't something to be taken lightly. You'll have to consider a few things before making your decision. And trust us, it's worth the effort. First, let's discuss what a cryptocurrency exchange is. Essentially, it's a platform that enables you to buy, sell, and hold cryptocurrencies. It's a marketplace for cryptocurrency trading, similar to the stock exchange for stocks. Now, on to the options you've got. There are a plethora of cryptocurrency exchanges available out there, but a few names stand out for their credibility, security, and user-friendly interfaces. The first one that comes to mind is Coinbase. It's one of the most popular platforms worldwide, known for its user-friendly interface and strong security measures. They even offer insurance coverage for digital currencies stored on the platform. Another great option is Binance. It offers a comprehensive range of services, including spot trading, futures, and even a savings account for your crypto. They also have a lower transaction fee compared to many other platforms which might suit the needs of frequent traders. Then we have Kraken, a platform that prides itself on its advanced security measures. It offers a feature-packed platform for both beginners and experienced traders. They offer future trading, margin trading, and even a staking service where you can earn rewards by holding certain cryptocurrencies. But remember, the best platform for you is the one that caters to your specific needs, be it low transaction fees, a wide array of cryptocurrencies, or advanced trading features. So, do your research and select the one that suits your needs. Once you have chosen a platform, your journey into the digital world begins. This is the starting point, the very first step of many that will lead you toward a new adventure. But before you can embark on this journey, you will need to create an account. The process of account creation is simple and straightforward. It requires you to provide specific necessary information, personal or otherwise. You might be asked for things like your full name, an active email address, a unique username, and a strong password. These are basic requirements used universally across all platforms for identity confirmation and security purposes. As you begin to input your information, remember to give accurate and up-to-date data. It is essential not just for the platform's record-keeping, but also for your own security. A proper account creation process ensures that you remain the sole custodian of your private information, minimizing the risk of fraudulent activities. After you have provided the necessary information, you will be required to complete a verification process. This procedure is used to confirm the authenticity of the information you have given. The verification might be done through an email confirmation, a phone call, or even a text message. It is a crucial step that further solidifies your account security and establishes your unique identity on the platform. And finally, there's one more step to further fortify your digital fortress: securing your account with two-factor authentication. It is a process that provides an additional layer of security for your account. It ensures that even if someone manages to get your login details, they would not be able to access your account without the second verification step. This step may involve a unique code sent to your mobile device, an authentication app, or even biometric data. It is an incredibly important part of securing your online presence. By following these steps, you're not just creating an account, but ensuring your account's safety. Two-factor authentication is for added security, effectively reducing the chances of your account falling into the wrong hands. It's not just about an account creation process. It's about safeguarding your digital identity. After setting up your account, it's time to fund it. The initial process may seem cumbersome, but rest assured, it's simpler than it appears. You begin by transferring funds from your bank account or any of your preferred credit cards to your newly minted cryptocurrency exchange account. Let's delve a little deeper into this process. To initiate a transfer, you typically need to log into your bank account or credit card account. Once logged in, you'll need to follow the specific procedures outlined by your bank or credit card company. These steps will often vary depending on the institution, but generally, it involves identifying the cryptocurrency exchange account as a payee or recipient, and then confirming the amount you wish to transfer. Make sure you have your cryptocurrency exchange account details handy, as this information will be necessary for the transfer. Information such as your account number, routing number, and the name and address associated with the account are typically required. There's no need to rush this process. Take your time and double-check every step along the way. Mistakes can be costly, and while they can often be corrected, it's always better to prevent them in the first place. This is particularly true when it comes to transferring funds online, where transaction mistakes can have significant consequences. As a novice participant in the world of cryptocurrency, it's advisable to start with a small amount of money. This conservative approach will help you familiarize yourself with the nuances of the system without incurring a substantial financial risk. As you gain more experience and confidence, you can gradually increase the amount of money you transfer, always keeping your financial comfort zone in mind. Remember, the world of cryptocurrency can be exciting and rewarding, but it's also fraught with risks and uncertainties. Therefore, it's essential to approach it with caution, patience, and a strong sense of fiscal responsibility. Make sure to start with a small amount until you gain more experience and confidence. Now comes the exciting part: trading. As a newbie in the world of trading, you would be amazed by the vast potential opportunities that lie in front of you. Trading is more like an adventure, a journey that is filled with ups and downs, losses. Start by taking a deep dive into the market trends. It's critical to keep your fingers on the pulse of the market, observing minute changes and interpreting the potential outcomes of these changes. This could be as basic as monitoring the rise and fall of stocks and shares, or as advanced as understanding the interplay between market forces. Next is identifying potential opportunities. This is where your analytical skills come into play. Sifting through a sea of isolating potential gold mines requires a keen eye and sharp intellect. It's like searching for a needle in the haystack, but once found, it can make all the difference. Use technical analysis tools and indicators to make informed decisions. These tools are designed to help traders make informed decisions and minimize risks. They function as your guiding stars, illuminating the path forward and highlighting potential pitfalls. Whether it's average tool or an economic calendar, these tools are vital for successful trading. Remember, like any other financial venture, cryptocurrency trading involves risks. It's a world where fortunes can be made and lost in the blink of an eye. Always remember to trade responsibly, making sure that each decision is backed by solid research and understanding. After all, it's not just about making profits, but also about preserving what you have. Lastly, never invest more than you can afford to lose. This is a golden rule of trading that you must adhere to. Investing more than you can afford to lose can lead to financial distress and emotional turmoil. So, be smart and play it safe. Now you are ready to embark on your trading journey. Embrace the thrill and navigate your way to success. As you gain experience, you can explore advanced trading strategies like margin trading and stop-loss orders. Various strategies are available for those who wish to engage in more complex trading activities. These strategies are designed to maximize profits and minimize risks, providing a robust framework for making informed decisions. One such strategy is margin trading. This involves borrowing money from a broker to invest more than what you would ordinarily be able to. The goal of this strategy is to increase the potential returns on an investment. Still, it also adds a higher level of risk, as losses can exceed the original amount invested. In margin trading, the margin, the amount of money borrowed, is typically expressed as a ratio. The higher the ratio, the greater the risk and potential return. However, it's important to remember that this isn't a strategy for the faint-hearted. On the other hand, stop-loss orders are a risk management strategy designed to limit an investor's loss on a security position. This strategy involves setting a specified price at which a security will be automatically sold if the price falls to or below this level. Stop-loss orders can be useful in preventing substantial losses in volatile market conditions. While these advanced strategies offer potential benefits, they also present increased risks. Therefore, an understanding of these methods and careful monitoring of market conditions are crucial. But for beginners, it's best to start with simple buy and sell orders. This is because these basic operations provide the foundation for understanding how the market works, how to interpret price movements, and how to make informed decisions. Once you become comfortable with these concepts, you can then move on to explore more advanced strategies. Lastly, we want to leave you with an inspiring and uplifting message. Our world is evolving, and so are the methods we use to earn income. The internet has opened up a vast ocean of opportunity for every one of us to tap into. And one of these opportunities is trading cryptocurrency online. This is not, as some might think, a scheme to make money instantly. The world of cryptocurrency trading is complex. It's not a where you can expect immediate financial returns. It's a dynamic, fast-paced industry that demands diligence and an unwavering commitment to understanding its nuances. It requires time, effort, and more importantly, patience. Every trader, no matter how successful they now are, started from scratch, with nothing more than a desire to learn and a willingness to persevere. It demands dedication that goes beyond the occasional online search. It calls for you to stay updated with trends, to understand the ever-changing market dynamics. You can't afford to be complacent. You must be hungry for knowledge, ready to learn and adapt on the go. This endeavor is not for the faint-hearted. It's a journey that requires resilience and a strong will. It's about more than making money. It's about cultivating a new skill, to navigate a volatile market, and having the courage to take calculated risks. But with the right knowledge and mindset, it becomes a feasible and potentially lucrative venture. Remember, the road to financial freedom is paved with trials and errors, and making money through cryptocurrency trading is a part of this journey. With the right strategy, perseverance, and a dash of luck, you most certainly can achieve financial success. We hope this video has provided you with valuable insights and guidance on getting started with cryptocurrency trading. In this rapidly evolving world of digital assets, understanding how to navigate the crypto market can be a challenging task. However, With the right knowledge and tools, the sphere of crypto trading can become an accessible and potentially profitable venture for you. Throughout this video, we touched on various aspects such as understanding what cryptocurrencies are, how they work, and their potential for growth. We covered the basics of blockchain technology, which underlies most cryptocurrencies, and how this is disrupting many industries, promising a more decentralized and transparent world. We delved into the essential tools for crypto trading, including digital wallets, crypto exchanges, and security measures to protect your assets. We also emphasized the importance of understanding market trends, technical analysis, and the impact of global events on crypto prices. We explored different strategies for trading, from hodling and day trading to swing trading and automated trading bots. Each strategy has its pros and cons, and choosing the right one depends on your risk tolerance, investment goals, and time commitment. Moreover, we highlighted the potential risks and rewards of crypto. While the volatility of the crypto market can lead to significant gains, it also poses substantial risks. Therefore, crucial to approach crypto trading with a well-thought-out plan and a balanced portfolio. If you found this information helpful, please hit the like button and consider subscribing to our channel for more enlightening videos on making money online. Your support helps us generate more content and aids our mission of making the world of crypto trading more accessible to everyone. Thank you for watching, and remember, the world of cryptocurrency trading is waiting for you to explore its potential.